Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So today the date is 23rd November 2020 and today the day is Monday. What is day today? Monday. Okay, now tell me again what is day today? Today is Monday and our subject is English and day 36. So in English today we will do the revision of letters from I to P and we also learn the phonetic sounds of some letters. Okay, first I will write the letters in capital on this green board, then I will write the small letter in cursive and you have to watch carefully how I am writing, and plus you also have to learn the phonetic sounds of these letters. Okay, now look here. First I am going to, and we have already done from E to H. Now today we will do from I. Okay, so here I am going to write letter I. Tell me which letter is this? Letter I. Which letter is this? I. I sounds E. All of you say E. I sounds E. And be careful. Look the formation carefully. I sounds E. I sounds E. Which letter is this? Read it. Letter J. Which letter is this? J. J. Now I am going to write in cursive. See, look carefully how I am going to write. First I am going to up in this way and then down and then make a curve. J. J sounds J. J sounds J. J sounds J. K. Which letter is this? K. K. K sounds K. K sounds K. K. K sounds K. K sounds K. L. Which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. L sounds L. L sounds L. L sounds L. M. Now I am going to write letter M. M sounds M. M sounds M. Which letter is this? Letter M. M sounds M. M sounds M. One thing, don't write these letters in your English notebook. There is no way you have to write. You should not write anything in your English notebook. But you have to watch this video again and again. You have to watch these letters and the formation of these cursive letters also. Okay. M. M sounds M. This is letter N. Which letter is this? N. N sounds N. N sounds N. O. Which letter is this? O. O sounds O. O sounds O. O sounds O. P. Which letter is this? Letter P. P sounds P. P sounds P. P sounds P. Now, look carefully and repeat. Say I, E, J, J, K, K, L, 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 M, 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 N, 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 O, 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 P, 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 P. Very good. Now repeat again. Say I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay. Now learn the phonetic sounds of these letters. E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Repeat. n, o, p. Okay? Learn all these letters and the phonetic sounds of these letters. Okay? And watch carefully the formation of these letters and formation of small cursive letters. Okay? Goodbye. Take care of yourself.